Digital industry is growing at a 30% year on year. What that means is people who were working, they kept on getting increments or they kept on getting newer tasks and they kept on improving in their career. But in that whole process, also the industry changed. Industry became from an execution industry to very strategic industry. Then digital converted to marketing first and then digital second, and now we have solution first, marketing second, and digital third. So all of these things changed, and somewhere at the top the seniors are finding it difficult to manage the expectations, and the juniors are not capable of understanding the technology and the whole layers which are available to the people. But that does not mean industry did not grow. Industry is growing at a 30% year on year, so that means every year you have an opportunity to grow a minimum of a 30% with the industry. So if you know the full stack in terms of digital, you have an amazing scope to grow at a 200%, 300%. But if you don't know full stack, so when I talk about full stack, the whole buyer's journey, how digital plays into each of this buyer's funnel, and each part of the buyer's funnel can have 2 to 3 industries coming together. But if you're able to understand the overall architecture, you will be able to learn faster than others. You will be able to apply that knowledge as a wisdom, and you will be able to get better result than others. And then nobody is going to care about your age, nobody is going to care about your location, everybody is going to care about the result that you can get. And digital has this advantage that even as an individual, if you work effectively, you can create a 10x and 100x kind of a growth for the company. So of course, if you are able to create that kind of a growth individually, you can also get the return out of it. So it's an absolutely rewarding career if you know full stack. That's exactly what you can learn in this digital marketing session. And I want you to learn more about full stack so that our industry can have more and more people who can create amazing success stories.